Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming by. Today we are unboxing Glossybox, which you get to see the back of because they have covered the front end stickers. It's okay. Glossybox is a monthly beauty box that comes with generally 5 products in it that can be samples, deluxe samples, periodically a full-size product for $21 per month. If you sign up for longer time frames like 3, 6, or 12 months, the price lowers. Like the 3-month one I think is $58.50, so you'd save like $4.50 over the cost of those 3 months. If you sign up right now, there's a code June20 that you can use that saves you 20% if you sign up for a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. That's everything I know about Glossybox. Okay, let's get in here and see what I've got. I don't think I have any idea. I don't think I've seen any of the spoilers this month. I don't know how I've managed to avoid that. I can't believe that somebody like Jess hasn't unboxed a Glossybox. I don't remember the spoilers, so that's good enough. So in the box, I have taken the front off because it's a little tough to open. We have our pink Glossybox, which is awesome because it is a nice, hard, reusable box. It's a pink and it says Glossybox, and it's just so solid that it's reusable, and I love it. When you take the lid off, this is what you have. And then you can untie your nice bow, and it gives you the paperwork that's going to tell us everything we have and all about it. And then you have your tissues. Something smells nice in here. I can't tell what it is. Maybe rosy. Roses are in, right? We're getting a lot of rose-scented things. Now watch there be nothing in here rose. We can tear the paper. And this is what we have. Wow. It is a box chock full of goodness. Let's see what we've got. So this is our pamphlet. Let's open it up so as we go, I can read, which of course I will need my glasses for. So this is it. As I always say, no cheating, no reading ahead. Let's dive right in and see what we've got. I will take right off the top this Morgan Taylor nail polish. It is so pretty. I hope it's coming across. It's just, it feels like it's just a really basic mauve that they've managed to get like a purple duochrome feel to. Let's see what they say about it. The Morgan Taylor nail lacquer, colors vary. Okay, well mine is Rosy Cheeks. That's so cute. I am busy not doing my own nails now. I've been doing gels, and I'm going to quit, but we have I've mentioned it several times, we have a big family event coming up in July, and I'm going to keep them up through all of the events leading up to that. But after that, I'm going back to doing my own nails for a while. So this is absolutely a color I would use. This says it's a $9.50 value. We are so happy to have the creme de la creme of nail lacquer, Morgan Taylor, as our go-to for the perfect manicure. Very cool. Nice creamy texture, full brush. You only need 2 coats and a clear swipe for a finishing touch to any event. And it says you can purchase it at Ulta. Well, that's good to know. All right, next we have, oh, it says Invisibobble on it, but I have no idea what this is. It's called the Waver. No metal, no traces, that simple. Do you guys know about this? Tell me below if you have tried this and have any tips for me. I have no idea what it is, so let's read about it. It says that the full size is 3 wavers. We just got 1, and that would be $7. Perfect for hairstyling updos or just holding your hair in place while you do your makeup, this game-changing, non-crimping bobby pin alternative is going to be your new best friend from hair revolutionary Invisibobble. With its 3D helix shape, slide lock technology, and strong hold, your hair will thank you. No dents, bends, or flyaway. That is interesting because she's got it in her hair on the side, just holding it back. And I often wish I could do that when I'm putting on my makeup because I want to. But if my hair is so fine and thin that if I like pull it back in a headband, even just to do my makeup, my hair will stay back the rest of the day. So this is an interesting, I've lost it already. Okay, there it is. So this is an interesting theory to me. So their theory is that I can just unhook it. So it's hooked there at the end. I hope that you can see it. No, it's probably better without my hand. And then you can just unhook it. And I guess, shall we slide it in my hair and see what happens by the end of the video? We could. I don't mind looking silly for you guys. I mean, we do the face masks. Let's just slide this in here. Well, I said slide like that was easy, and I can't. I don't know that I got all my hair. and hook it. I'm a natural. Can you tell? Is it hooked? Oh, goodness gracious. Well, you know what? We'll leave it there and we'll see at the end of the video what we're dealing with. So forgive me if my hair looks silly, but it is in there. Can you see it? Hope you can see it. That was a lot to do over a $2 bauble, but if I can get good at it, and I mean, you almost can't see it. So if I can get good at it and it doesn't crimp my hair while I'm doing my makeup, I will be super happy. Okay, let's see what's next. I have a Emma Hardy Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask, and it's a 0.5 ounce tube. Let's see if I can tell. Nope, I can't tell how full it is. I don't know about this, so let's see what they say. Purifying Pink Clay Mask. So full size is 50 ml and it's $54, and this is 15 ml, so it's about a third. So that's a pretty good little value in that guy. This clay mask glides over the skin to gently exfoliate away impurities with moringa oil and Australian pink clay, while also providing deep hydration. The end result, clear, radiant, glowing skin. Very cool. I will absolutely give that a try. All right, let's see what's next. Next, I have the Cleansing Foam from Omorovicza. I think that's how you say it. I remember seeing the spoiler for this because Kat Wilson, who I follow, you guys should follow Kat. She does skincare reviews where she does deep dives into why they're good for you and why they work, and she does a really great video. Kat Wilson, you should go check her out. But she did a, I hope I'm saying this halfway right, Omorovicza review about a bunch of their products. And I remember when she did it thinking, hey, am I getting something like that from Glossybox? So this must have been one they spoiled early. But I am really excited to try this because she said good things about most of their products. It's 1.01 fluid ounces, and let's see what they say about it. Okay, they say that 30 mLs is a $30 value. 30 mLs is what this is. So they call it a featured size. So they're saying that this little 1 ounce tube has a $30 value. So of course, you know, right off the bat, I'm gonna love it because it's gonna be an expensive thing to replace. From the curative waters of Budapest, all Omorovicza products have a blend of Hungary's mineral-rich springs in their patented healing concentrate delivery system. This cleansing foam is combined with the finest essential oils, vitamins, and other natural ingredients sourced from across the globe, from the bed of Lake Heves to the peak of the Andes Mountains. Remember to cleanse in small upward circles for roughly 20 to 30 seconds. Any longer can lead to skin irritation. Interesting. Well, it says that it's a mousse, and I am very, very excited to try this. I will report back. Okay, let's see what's next. I have 2 hair masks. They are really heavy packaging. This one says, oh, they're by Unwind. Unwind, but with an E. That's so cute. This one is Brut Rosé, and it says Color, Protect, and Hydrate. And this one is, I would say, Provence Rosé, and it says Color, Protect, and Revitalize. So that is fun. I am having my hair colored soon, and I will save these for after I do that. This one is infused with wine, rose, and watermelon extracts to help revitalize and retain color-treated hair. And this one is infused with wine, rose, and strawberry extracts to help protect and maintain color. Well, this sounds like a lot of fun. I will save it for after my hair is freshly colored because I haven't colored in quite some time, as you can probably tell when I was pulling close to show you that clip. This says that one packet, as featured, is $4. So we have 2 $4 packets. I'll just read one of them to you because they have them on here separately. If you have any more questions, let me know below. As fans of rosé and hydration, we love how Hask Unwind blends the health benefits of wine, packed with antioxidants, and roses to strengthen, hydrate, and protect color-treated hair with their deep conditioner. Plus, who doesn't love shiny hair that smells like roses and watermelons? Well, that sounds super fun, and I can't wait to use that. Last but not least, I have by Sleek Makeup. I don't know this brand, but I feel like maybe I've seen some of my UK people talk about it, so maybe it's big over there. It is an eyeshadow palette that's mineral-based, and it's called Sun is Shining. Let's get in here and see what it is. So is this a brand that you've heard of or tried? Let me know below if you've tried this. I haven't ever tried it. It's a really pretty palette. It's just kind of black and matte with the shiny in it. And the back just says, eyeshadow palette, Sun is Shining 430. Very to the point. Hey, they are pretty colors with a great variety of mattes and shimmers. It's very neutral, but I live in neutral land when I'm trying to be most comfortable. These are so pretty. It came with, why do they still do this? It came with a nice little foam sponge that, you know, but that's not the point. I have plenty of brushes. Oh, they feel really creamy. I just got into this shiny one. Let's try this shiny one. You might see this one's not as creamy. Let's try a matte. Let's try this nice dark one so we'll get an idea. Oh, they're very pretty and smooth. There's not a lot of pigment to it, but you know, as we always say, you can't tell by a swatch, but they're very, very creamy and nice. This will be a pretty little palette to play with. That's what it looks like again. But those are great neutrals, and I have to tell you, they lean toward cool, which absolutely works for me. There are a couple warmer ones, but as a rule, they lean toward the cool, so perfect. Let's see what they said about the sleek makeup. They say the Sun is Shining eyeshadow palette is a full-size palette, and it is $11.99, and the only place they show on here to get it is Sleek Makeup USA. So it's clearly a USA palette. I don't know why I've never heard of it. Other than good luck for wedding day weather, think sunny, get sunny. This palette of nudes, golds, and shimmers is perfect for daytime wear with its mineral-based, highly pigmented eyeshadows that shine equally on all skin tones. Well, that was a really nice box. So see what I mean? Sometimes you get full-size products and sometimes you get sample-size products. It's a nice combination. I wasn't sure Glossybox was a box I was going to stay with, but I have been really pretty pleased with it, especially since I get to try this. They say that this is a $30 value, so I'm very anxious to try that. We have the two nice hair conditioners, the pretty mauve nail polish, and the Emma Hardy pink clay mask. Oh, and this thing in my hair. Let's take it out and see what we're working with. Like I said, normally, if I were to pin my hair back, when I took it out, it would, that crimp from being back would be in there forever. So, see what I mean though? See this? I hope you can see it. See this little wave right here? That's just from being pulled back in this for, what was that? Maybe 10 minutes. I mean, there is no crimp per se, but there is definitely a wave. I will play with it. I will see if I can get better with it, but that is what it looks like for anyone who might be interested. It's kind of interesting. And that is what I received in my June Glossy Box for 2019. Let me know below if you've tried any of these products. Have you tried the sleek makeup? Is it somewhere that I'm just missing it? I would be interested in knowing that. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see when I put up my next video. And like I said, go check out Kat. She does some great reviews. Talk to you guys soon.